So, in this week's Lazarus Lecture and Marriage Repair Workshops, we are going to be taking you through acquiring the skills to turn difficult conversations into connecting conversations. Most of you are very experienced with difficult conversations that fall apart, difficult conversations that definitely do not classify as well connecting conversations. So, for those of you who already have access to the Lazarus lectures, please get ahead. Watch the video that's connected there, do your homework, and come prepared for an excellent conversation on how to turn your conversational conflicts, difficult tension-based conversations into good, solid connection. Okay? See you men 7 o'clock Thursday night, women 11 a.m. Friday morning, and follow the links to get registered. See you soon.